Right, we're into our fourth moto, 17 plus men, and it's going to be the one machine leading the charge. Royal Moses looking very smooth on that delay of his through the second corner. Williams in there for the two spot. Nesbitt goes three. Jesse Robbins and Max Pogozelski rounds out the field. We've got to change the race lead there with Williams sneaking up the inside of the number one bike. We'll see how it plays out towards the finish line. I reckon there's something special to come from the one machine down the last straight, but it is Ethan Williams with the race under control. Then we got Royal. He's pushing hard all the way to the finish line. Will he get it? Oh, I'm not going to pick that one, but it's going to be very close. Nesbitt goes three, Robbins goes through four, followed by two. We come back to the 314 of Cooper and the 95 of Lincoln Price.